In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install loft boards. Firstly, wear safety gear and create a stable workspace. Remove stored items like suitcases and decorations for easy access. Use tape measure to determine how many loft boards you need and opt for tongue and groove loft boards. They're easier to install and fit through the hatch. Ensure your loft floor is insulated before boarding. If not, install loft insulation first to improve energy efficiency. Do not squash insulation and raise the floor if insulation is higher than joists. Space supports 1 meter apart and attach them to ceiling joists. Now, position the first board across joists and make sure it doesn't overhang and cut if needed. Avoid lining up joints for a stronger floor and secure boards with 2 to 3 screws per joint. Ensure boards sit flush and use downlight protectors to keep insulation away from lights. Just fill with cut-to-size infill pieces and gently tap pieces into place. Secure with screws just like regular loft boards. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.